Okay, it's round two, pumping out my yard, front yard, soaking wet. Got my little champion running there, and I've been finding some tadpoles already. I'll try to save them, as many of them as I can, and put them out there in the ditch. But anyway, let's get over here and see what we got going on. I have it wide open because I don't want it to blow my ditch out over here. So that's what we got there. Got water coming out of the ditch there, coming from the other side over there.